Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm not alone here. As you can guys see in here, there are my friends. Please introduce yourself, guys.
Hi, I'm Reva.
I'm Alvina.
I'm Ilyas.
And I'm Nadia.
Okay guys, welcome back to Self Talk Podcast. Nice to meet you guys. Thank you for coming for this podcast episode. So this time we will talk about something that relate in our life, guys. It's about social media. Social media can be our friends, but sometimes it can be our enemy, right? So let's get to the first segment, and I will ask you guys what is your point of view of social media in everyday lives. We can start with Alvina first.
Okay, from my point of view, the role of social media has a lot of impact to in my life as a mean to communication because with the existence of social media has with me to communication with my family and friends.
Yes, I agree with Alvina. I also feel that with the existence of social media, almost everything becomes so easy to do, especially in terms of communication, but from close distance to long distance. Besides that, of course, I feel that social media can also be a medium for us to express ourselves and find entertainment.
Yes, I also feel that like with social media we can be free to express ourselves and when we feel tired or lonely we can see some funny videos or entertainments on social media. But still we cannot carelessly post our personal information or things which could harm ourselves or other because of our own action. So we need to be careful in using social media and always remember that our data could never be erased.
Now talking about posting information, the thing I feel when I use social media is that we can spread information, receive information, and it eases us to find information that outside our reach.
That's right, Ilyas, I agree. The development of social media can spread information, as you guys know, reaching information and find some information that out of our reach. But the other side, it can be influence of self-identity. I will ask you guys, what about yourself? What do you think, guys, about the influence of social media on self-identity?
For me, social media has a big influence on ourselves. Starting from the common thing that's happened is that we compare ourselves to others, especially when we scroll TikTok and often see others people cool and funny content that can make us think how can they be like that while we can't.
Yeah, I also relate to it, like why are they so beautiful while I'm not, or why are they so cool while I'm just ordinary.
Well, things like this makes our self-esteem decrease because we only judge ourselves as below of others and feel dissatisfied with ourselves.
That's right. Especially now, there is a lot of cyberbullying that make us doubt ourselves even more.
That's right, I agree. It really change our assessment of ourselves in negative direction. It can even make us hate ourselves.
So guys, what do you think? Is social media really beneficial for you or does it cause actually more bad things?
From my side, maybe first, it can be both honestly, but social media is very useful because I'm far away from my closest friends. We're right now in Palembang. So sometimes I feel like sad, loneliness, and feel like stressed out because she always hear all my daily life, right? So, but I'm happy that in this era I can still communicate with her in social media.
That's true, but I also think there are some serious downside on social media. We sometimes cannot control what content we see, so sometimes we often see negative content. And I've read in journal that excessive exposure to negative news or content can cause stress and anxiety.
And to be honest, every time I look at social media, I like compare myself with another people and comparison oneself with my friends or public figure that are often on social media, and
Okay.
from what I read can create unrealistic expectation resulting in significant emotional burden.
I agree with all of you, but I think it's also important to recognize that social media can be empowering too. For example, social movement or cause and visibility through platform like Instagram, Twitter, that can be help our awareness.
That's a great point, Elias. So it seems like the effect of using social media on us is depend on how we use it. It can either boost our well-being or harm it. Depends on how much we usually engage in unhealthy behavior.
So the previous discussion and the previous segment were interesting for me personally. So guys, in this segment I will ask you again, what's your opinion, or are there any tips for social media user to use it well and avoid the bad things?
From my perspective, the first step is to reduce online time. We can start by setting a daily time limit for using social media. For example, 1 hour a day maybe.
That sounds challenging, but it might help. I often spend hours scrolling on social media unconsciously.
That's right. After we reduce our online time, the second step is to change our focus. Instead of following accounts that make us feel bad, we can look for accounts that share some positive and inspiring content.
Yeah, I agree. Following account that share mental health tips or hobby can make us feel better. By implementing this step, we can modify our social media and improve our overall mental health.
So today we have a lot of discussion about social media, its role, effect, and even how to use it wisely. Let's bring it all together. Do you think any psychological theory can explain what we have discussed together today?
Definitely, the social identity theory really stands out. It explains how we build our identity through group, and on social media, it's so obvious. Like when we join online communities or support specific cause, we feel like we belong.
Yeah, that's great idea. I add social learning theory. We can see how trend or behavior spread so fast because people what copy they see.
True, like those viral challenge or viral dance. It's all about observing or imitating.
Okay, and let's not forget about self-discrepancy theory. That theory, it highlights about how we compare our real self to ideal self that we see on social media. That can lead into insecurity and mental health struggles if we are not careful.
Yeah, but that theory also shows the positive side, right? It's not all bad. It can also help us to connect, learn, and grow. It's just about being mindful of how we use the social media, guys.
Exactly, social media is what we make of it. By understanding, we can tool for good. Letting it control us.
I agree. It's about balance, like enjoying the benefits while staying aware of the risks.
Perfectly said. I think we have covered everything.
Okay, guys, so this is the end of our discussion in this episode, right? Don't forget to be careful on social media. You have to pay attention to all the content and language that will be posted on social media. Okay, that's it from Self Talk today. See you soon.
Bye bye.